How did we get here? I was heading out of town and didn't want the bananas to go bad. What does that mean? Banana bread! I think cream and sugar and butter is underrated. It's so important because it puts air in the butter, distributes the sugar, and helps with the overall texture. It should look something like this. I usually blend my bananas separately, but I was being very lazy. Always remember to add one egg in at a time. Always make sure you measure your flour this way. Check the expiration on your baking powder, very important. And always use a high quality vanilla. I love vanilla paste, but a good extract goes a very long way. Always throw your add-ins at the end. And that's my Spice-tastic sweet. Go check it out. It's part of my spice line. It should look like this when you're putting it in a pan. Give it a good tap before you put it into a preheated oven. And when it comes out golden and brown and looking like this, guess what? It's ready. For the glaze, I added this Eat Me spice, which is amazing. Poured that thing on top and it was ready. Now the moment of truth, because kids don't lie. What do you think, Coltrane? Yeah, that's a win.